Today I'm somewhere out near the Illinois-Iowa border, out in the middle of that space that's kind of between the prairies and the rolling hills. And behind me is a Butler silo. Butler was the inventor of the pre-engineered steel building, 1901. They were half a century above most of the other newcomers. And a big part of their business in the early days was building silos. And judging by this one, by the details on this one, I would guess this one is pretty near 100 years old. But the important thing to note is that it was systemized construction. They did the engineering, they did the fabrication, they simplified the entire process, and they were able to produce these things for farmers at a very economical price. And then they moved into making pre-engineered steel buildings. Those became very important during World War II and in the expansion during the 1950s after World War II. And now with computers and robotics, we're able to do much more than just mass production. We're able to do customized mass production so that every structure can look differently but still take the advantages of mass production. And that is moving into all types of commercial buildings. We're able to systemize the fabrication and construction of almost every type of commercial building, and that's also moving into high-rises. In fact, the Chinese are far ahead of us in being able to systemize high-rise construction. I'm Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. I'm an architect and contractor. We design and build pre-engineered steel buildings across the United States. Call us about your next project.